Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, there's been a little bit of shift. Now I'm doing tutorials on my bed. I mean, it's way more comfortable and I enjoy it better and just help me do more videos. I guess this setting I prefer it than my feels more home than the whole studio setting. So this one is a turban tutorial, sort of my turban hijab tutorial, how I style my hijab. So this veil is my favorite veil, one of my favorite veils. What I do is I take this veil and I put it right here, right? See, this is my favorite veil. Look at how it makes me just look perfect. Yes, I always have a scarf under it. So I go like this, I take it and I just sort of fold it like this, give it the illusion that I went all around. And then, yeah, mission accomplished. This is style 1. Now style 2, after having this, is just going all the way over this, having it come all the way like this. This is style 2. Okay, so I'm going to take this right now and I think I'm going to have to adjust the whole wrap thing. Let me zoom out. Okay, so the way it is like this, I'm just going to take it back. Just everything, take it back. And then just sort of keep twisting it. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm just sort of twisting it. Sorry. I'm twisting it and twisting it and twisting it and having it go, I don't know, anyway, I'm just having it go all the way back and then I'm pulling it in. Let me adjust this because it's not quite pretty because I'm using my viewfinder as my mirror, so it's not as pretty as I would appreciate it to be. So, yeah, this is another style, see? But I don't usually like it like that, honestly. I usually just go like this. What I did was I just twisted it the way I did before and then just putting it back here. See? Pretty. This is the 4th one. And I must say, I love. So these are my 3 favorite turban tutorials. Wait, 4 actually. So this is how I would normally go out. So think let's do another one. Which one? I feel like you all know this one, the one that I do like this. I just take this the way it is, the way I would normally do it. This is the first one, then I'll go like this. Just take it back. See how I did that? See? Right, and I'll take this one too and sort of put it there. This is just, I feel like this one, every hijabi knows how to do this one. It really sucks to use your viewfinder. Don't do this. Don't try this at home. I don't know why I'm actually messing with this. Trying to use viewfinder. So yeah. So thank you very much for watching this short turban tutorials, short hijabi styling. So please, if you would like to see more of them, like I actually have so many colors. You know, when you do a turban tutorial or hijab style and somebody asks you and you're like, actually I forgot it because I don't know how to do it. So that's how it happens to me. I always just wing it and it turns out looking awesome. Anyway, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I don't know why I'm doing this, honestly. I mean, jeez. So yeah, let me go and film. I'm going to film another video, so bye.